We've just landed and we've just got picked up, and there's very nice car.
Yeah.
It looks really nice inside, I'm not gonna lie. It's like...
It's Lexus.
You'll know. Yeah, so we're literally heading off to the hotel now. I look like trash, but it's okay. I'm tired and we're now going. Right, time for the room tour. So you come in and you've got this wardrobe, I think, sofa, yeah, TV, and then you've got the bed, food and snacks, but yeah, not like, I don't think you can even eat these, to be honest, some of them, but yeah, anyways, that, another mirror. Then you got the toilet. Oops. Okay, so you got the bath, tub, and then you've got the mirror, and you got you got two toilets and the shower. Seems pretty cool. And let's see what the view's like. Oh, that's kind of pretty. It's not too bad. Whoops. Yeah. Right guys, we're ready to go. This is my outfit. Let me show you over there. But look how cute this backpack is. Super cute. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to the shopping centre. Right, yeah, so this is the whole outfit basically. And my bag again, and then that's his outfit, so we're kind of like coordinating, but yeah, so we're going to we're going to the Dubai Mall and Aquarium, and we need to figure out how transport works here because we have no idea, but we've got our phone sorted out and everything, so we should be ready to go. But yeah, so I'll take you guys on the journey, so stay tuned. Go. Fancy. Number 1, Grand.
हाँ भाई जस्ट फिर रोंदी कहते हैं होंदस
ज्यादा मिर्चा चार होंदी है
रो ना खाला कोई ना
Right guys, so basically we've done a little bit of shopping, not much, like one thing, and then what we've done is we went to the aquarium. What else did we do? Took a ton of pictures. I've got so many Instagram pictures. It's unbelievable, and I'm obsessed with this wall, so this is my next place to take pictures. I'll be on that. Okay? I am exhausted, my back is legit killing me right now, and we need to go back to the hotel, and I have no energy. Do you know how long it took us to walk from the station to the shopping centre? It took forever. It felt like it was like one corridor after another. It was like, I was thinking, oh yeah, it'll be like 2 corridors. Clearly not the situation. It took us so long, legit.
So long walk from the station, and it's huge mall.
Yeah, we didn't even get all the way around. It legit took us forever. It's like, there's so many sections that you legit, like we got lost trying to get food. We wanted to get food, but we got lost. So, yes, that's what happened. But, oh yeah, I was like to him, when walking, all I saw was like the front entrance. I was like, that is tiny. I'm like, they're saying it's such a big mall, whatever, this, that, and that. And we walk in and I'm like, this is never ending. I can't even find food, let alone anything else. But it's really nice. Like generally, it's like every little area is different. You got like the old vibes, you got the modern vibes, and you got the rich vibes. So yeah, and that's the situation. And now we're thinking of going back to the hotel because it's right next to the beach, Jumeirah Beach, and just to watch the sunset or something, and probably order in. We'll see what we're gonna do. Yeah? Shall we go?
See you on beach.
Yes.
And we have to go?
Shall we go?
Yes, sure.
We don't even know what way we're going.
Well,
We're lost.
I need some energy drink.
Allergy.
Not this, I need energy drink.
I need this.
It's your drink, not mine.
Yeah, but you have your second.
I'm not drinking Fanta.
Okay, fine. Nabi.
I have my drink.
Nabi?
Why am I holding your things?